Thank you, sir, for your beautiful question. First of all, I would like to such a wonderful opportunity to say something about myself. Sir, as you know, I am Arjun, the student of class 4. I am 11 years old. I am from a beautiful place, Pulia in Noida district. Sir, there are 5 members in our lovely family. Sir, my father's name is Vishnu Mandal. He is a great businessman. Sir, my mother's name is Sandra Mandal. She is a successful housewife. I would like to say something about myself, likes and dislikes. My favorite game is cricket. I also playing football and reading books.
Sir, everyone should have
an email life, because an email life
it's just like
a boat without boat back. So my aim life is
to be a
great WBS officer, as well as good human beings. And I thank you, sir, for listening me.
খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে, চমৎকার, গুড ট্রাই, খুব ভালো। জয় আর্তেলের জন্য। বাবা, এটা